volatile compound in cow milk. Volatile. There are 41 compounds in milk were isolated in identification from GC mass by headspace. And a drug residues in milk by GC mass. This method is used wide in GC mass. Also detections about volatile compound in honey. There are some plastic used in children. We can detections about this metals and fat plates is dangerous for babies. For that, it's the detections about this compound by GC mass. In GC mass, there are tools. This tools is very important, and smart tools, because use the salt phase micro extractions, means use these tools without any solvent, only when you need detections about essential oil, for example in flour. Only put this instrument near from the flour as this picture only, and go to GC mass and show all the compounds in this essential oil in this flour. For example, we can detections about what the metabolism in a tree. We can put the GC mass in the tree and go in the SBM in tree and go to the GC mass and detection. This tool is smart. At the same time, we can use these tools in clinical application of SBM, analysis of volatile organic compounds, VOC in breath as a cancer. We can detect about all this compound in human breath. And use these tools also to follow what happened when the died mouse, for example, this, by these tools, what the volatile product. The GC mass used widely to analysis of pesticide in food. All this pesticide, for example, all this pesticide in one sample, in one run, without use any standard. Only preparation sample, for example, for apple, for juice, and for a banana, and and take the extractions of this sample and put in GC mass. And the same in pesticide and foodstuff. There are some papers speak about use the GC mass to determination of DNA damage, because there are some part of DNA we can detection by GC mass. There are many papers speak about this topic. Use also the GC mass and other techniques for not in biotechnology on food, and for example in sports, and to detections of anabolic steroid metabolism in urine and blood. This is very easy. And used to in oil spot also, and is used GC mass. Thank you for the attention. Thank you.
Thank you for your speech. Please turn on the lights. We have 5 minutes left from your speech. If anybody have a question, we can.
Any question?
Any question, please.
Thank you for your presentation. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Any possibility of detection microbial volatile online? I mean, continuous monitoring anytime.
Anytime, yes.
For example, 24 times in 24 hours.
Yes, we can. We can detections about in 1 minute, or 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. We can detection about what volatile compounds in GC mass. You speak about GC mass. Yeah, we can. It's very easy. Thank you very much. Yes,
Please.
We hope that
Yes, yes,
Have some protection.
yes.
Clinically use.
Yes, any clinical, because this tool, sorry, SBME is very easy to, sorry, so. This techniques is a new techniques in the world. This technique. This, sorry. Put the SBME in the mouth and detections with the compound in the mouth, because all the compound absorption of the fiber, there are fiber in this range, and this fiber go to the GC mass and treatment by heat in injector, and all these compounds is become volatile and go to masses. We can use in clinical, is widely used this technique. Okay. Another.
Thank you for your
Thank you for
presentation. Is there any difference between using solid phase micro extraction and using the hydrodistillation for essential oil?
There are no, only is in essential oil,
Yeah.
use, for example, a methanol or any solvent. But in this technique, without use any solvent, only put this technique near from the floor or anything.
My question was about the outputs of the
I'm not.
about the outputs of these two techniques. Is there any difference between the output of using which of them?
No, there are not any, because this technique is studied up now. This technique, there are many study to development this technique. For that is not big difference between the first technique and this technique, because all the compounds over this technique. For example, look in this all this compound in only the human birth. And many papers use this technique in essential oil. Many papers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello and good morning.